welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne's court is in session as he speaks about a few individuals. Now, this is his comments and his ending of the segment, basically, where he speaks about the persons that he had in court. Now, for Maxine, he said that he's sorry. He apologized for, believing something, before he had really gotten a chance to get around it. And he's saying that he's sorry openly about that situation. Now, he also spoke about Miss Kitty, and he's saying that Miss Kitty, she's a very good person. He said that she goes in pocket to sponsor a few kids to go, well, give them scholarships to go to school because Miss Kitty believes in advancement in persons advancing and, going forward in life. So he was commending her on that situation. He also went ahead and he spoke about Misty. He said that Misty is a good person as well. And the only issue that he has with her is that she was talking to this girl, allegedly, and she was putting something in her head, telling her that she shouldn't take anything from anyone because people do whatever and whatever to you. But that's the only, that's basically the issue that he said that he had with her. But guys, you could go ahead and go catch the video and see what Judge Dwayne has to say and how his arguments went and what is his rebuttal, the ending of his statement, what it was. So go catch up with you guys, see what he has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And as always, for all the lovelies out there celebrating their birthdays today, April 1st, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. And I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies that are out there that are listening today, I just want to say to you, have a wonderful and peaceful day. And remember, no let nobody fool ya. Have a great day now.
Opportunity to big up Miss Kitty. I'm gonna big up Miss Kitty. Ask me why. I'm bigging up Miss Kitty because Miss Kitty is this social media personality, and she has actually given several students scholarships out of her own pocket to go to school. She has funded several scholarships out of her own pocket to go to school. Miss Kitty, she don't come out here and brag and boast and do and say distasteful things about anyone. She does not. She make yes, she goes on. She can go on sometime, but that's how we love her for how she is. She don't come out here day to day and be putting out things out of that like how some people do day to day, right? That's not nice. And she does not manipulate people. She does not. She does not control people's mindsets. She does not. She does not plant seeds into people's mindsets. She does not. Miss Kitty is a damn good human being. And Miss Kitty, I will always respect you. I will always value you. You really are an amazing human being. And I pray to God that He will continue to elevate you and continue to bless you, because you do deserve every blessing you have gotten thus far. Now back to you, Donegal. Actually, let's go to Maxine first. Maxine, you are acquitted today. You are acquitted because I'm not afraid to say I actually got it wrong with my initial thought, thinking Donegal she was actually come at you, because a lot of her clues, because I didn't know who this person was, I initially put it to you, and I didn't know it was another person. So Maxine, let me first extend an apology to you to have your name in my caption, right? I'm very sorry. I am sorry. I'm not afraid to say I'm sorry. And you are acquitted because I actually got it wrong this time, right? Over to you, Donegal. Donegal, for your continuously planting seeds in people's head, i.e. in this young girl's head. People hate you. People this, people that, people that this and the third, whatever. A lot of things he said. You said a whole lot of things, Donegal, you did. You know, I could have accepted. Being a judge, I am a fair judge. Being a fair judge, I could have accepted you saying, Shanae, do not accept anything from anyone anymore because you're now going to big foreign and you are going to be in a country where you can buy things very, very cheaply. Very cheaply. I would have accepted that argument and left it there. However, you went further, Donegal. You went further and you made statements like, people hate you so much, they will give you things to make your skin strip off your body and you can't learn anything. You made statements, you did make statements like that, Donegal. Right? You said a lot of things to which I don't need to go back over in that video. You said a lot of, you had a whole mouthful to say. You did. People hate this girl. People hate her to the point where they will do evil things to this girl. This is what she implied. This is exactly what she implied, Donegal. Who are you talking to? This is my courthouse. Why are you here? Why are you here? When I was over here presiding over cases I spoke well of her, right? You didn't have a problem, right? You get off my page before I block you. Please get off before I block you. This is my courthouse. I'm taking my courthouse very seriously too. I am. Donegal, back to my sentencing for you. You put out this notion to the world that people hate this young girl so much they will do really hateful things to this girl, even goes far as harming her. This is what she implied. This is what she implied, Donegal. You said, you said, actually, you said, you weren't even fair. You said so much more. And Donegal, my recommendation to you is, you must stop these unscrupulous tactics. This is what you continue to do. You must stop these unscrupulous tactics. You must stop coming out here and putting out this picture to the world that people really hate this girl to the point where people actually want to commit harm to her. Dwayne, don't forget the fact that 99 don't have that kind of reasoning ability. Then again, you must stop these things, right? You can't have such a large platform like you have and be coming out here and putting out so much hateful thoughts in the world against people that you yourself, you don't know, and you yourself have taken things from in the past. And this young girl, all she's trying to do is trying to make it in life, right? And you are trying to manipulate her mindset. You must stop trying to manipulate these people, right? Donegal, I therefore find you guilty for a lot of things. Manipulation is one. Manipulation is one. You continue to come out here and manipulate people on a day-to-day basis with your hateful comments and your hateful, just your hateful manipulative behavior that you do. Donegal, I also find you guilty for controlling these people's thoughts. Again, manipulation. Back to the same argument. Donegal, I also find you guilty for continuously coming out here and exude your narcissistic traits. I do. Donegal, this behavior must stop. It must stop. It must stop. And I would also encourage you Donegal, to start spreading love. and stop with your hateful behavior that you continue to do on a day-to-day basis. Especially with this conversation. You must stop. Look into yourself, Donegan. Break up your folly grounds. Break it up. We have endured this nonsense, narcissistic behavior for far too long. 5 years and counting. And it must stop. It must stop. Some way, somehow, it must stop. And you must stop using these your commentary. You must stop using your commentary to cause confusion and division. And division. Yes, this is the right one. You must stop using your commentary to stop dividing us out here. Because bear in mind, we are all one people. The motto of Jamaica says, out of many one people, which means united we will stand, divided we will fall. And you must stop coming on social media and using your verbiage, your conversations to keep us divided on the out. This is my ruling on you today. I won't imprison you. But if I had the power to imprison you, I would give you 6 months DTO, which means you would have served 3 months in prison and 3 months on probation for your bad behavior. That would have been my judgment for you, Donegal. It would have. Why are you here? I'm not blocking her. I'm not blocking. This is what she wants. I'm not blocking her. People don't mind them. We're having fun. And we are doing the right thing. We are doing the right thing. Maybe somewhere along the line, people start looking into themselves. Maybe. If we continue on this path we're on, I promise you. You know what I want? You know what I want? I just want 100 good people. Right now, I'm sure I have at least 150 good people. The rest of you don't have to come. You don't have to come. One corker, other full basket. And I'm very sure if we continue on the path we are on, within no time, we will all be united one more time. Let us continue on this path we're on with our courthouse. I don't think we're not doing anything wrong. We are actually having a dialogue with a courthouse session on conversations we find interesting out here. All of you must stop. I know for a fact after this live stream, some people are going to come at it, they're going to drag me, they're going to do the most. But darling, I'm telling you, my journey now, my new journey now, hatred does not live there. And animosity and this constant toxicity, it won't follow me. I'm done. I'm done being you people's footstool. I'm done. And all of you who stand with me, please, I'm asking you kindly, please like up my live stream and share it too. Help me to attract people to come to my live stream. Hello, you're on the line. What's up?
Dwayne?
Yes?
Dwayne?
Yes, what's up?
Yeah, I know you don't want to block people, but that person on there, you need to block them because they've been very disrespectful towards you.
Are they being
and talking about you fucking boys and all of that. Just block them. Block them.
That person's come from. I promise
talking
that.
About you fucking boys.
That person.
Just get them off your page. Man.
That person is come.
It's fine if someone don't agree with you or whatever. I don't care about that. But when someone's being personal towards you and being damn disrespectful and coming over to your page, they can't do that on anyone else's page, but they want to come over onto your page as usual and disrespect.
Yeah,
and you say you're not hurting. Some people you need to block. That person is right.
I didn't see that point. I didn't see that coming. I really didn't see that coming.
Yeah.
And listen, whatever I do, my person,
people like that.
Yes.
About you fucking boys.
Mm-hmm.
Just block them. Can't stand them. They got too much free run on your page.
No, honestly, I don't want to block. Listen, that person, yes, that person deserves to be blocked. However, I'm not here to block people. I want people to come over here and engage in our conversation. Listen, I'm not here to tear anyone down. I'm here to try and correct a lot of wrongs that's been happening on here. And I feel, yes, I know, I've been a part of the nonsense too, where I would have come in here and behaved like a damn hooligan, whatever. But I know for a fact, I could have done better.
Disrespectful.
All right, yo. Thank you. All right, I've done it now. Thank you.
All right, no,
All right, bye. I know for a fact, I know who I was. I know I could have done better. But yes, sometimes people bring out the worst in us, right? And I allowed these people to bring out the worst in me. I did. But I promise you, ever since I got my judge outfit, ever since I got this idea to come over here and have a courthouse, and then I bought my judge outfit and my judge wig, whatever. Oh, and my gavel. I feel like a brand new energy has come over me. And I promise you, I am embracing it. I'm not here to behave like a damn fool. I'm done being a fool. I know I speak very well. I speak very well. I know this, right? I can actually have a conversation. I can reason. I have very good reasoning abilities. I do. It's just that I wasn't using them very well before. But now I will. Ever since I got my outfit and I got this idea. I am there now. I am there, and nothing. Whether their followers come and watch me, I don't really care. As long as I have some good people behind me, that's all I care about. You know, with time, we will be fine. We will be fine, right? And that's it. Just remember, only salvation will last forever. Only the good salvation of God too. You know. At a point, I felt like they used to use their numbers and trick me, right? And I used to come in. I used to act like a damn hooligan, and then. When they come and pack you up, not realizing they're over here laughing at you rather than with you, they're actually laughing at you. I'm glad I've woken up now, and I promise all of you who stands with me, I promise you, better days are on the horizon with my page. This is the new leaf for me, and I'm happy. I've taken a stance, and I'm very happy. I'm embracing this new person. I'm embracing this new character. I'm very happy. No Judge Drama, Judge Trending. Not Fletcher. Judge Trending. That is it. To everyone of you who supports me, I'm so thankful. And people, I don't even care even if I got 500 views, it's better than nothing. I came with nothing, and I got 500 views. It's better than nothing, right? I have nothing to complain about. Long as I have a good group of people behind me, people with ethics, values, and principles, who can actually hold a conversation. You, my jurors, you can hold a respectful dialogue on any one of them. That is all that matters. You understand? That's all I want. I want respectful conversations, but we're not over here degrading or dehumanizing anyone or dragging them to the lowest form of low. It is what it is. Listen, just remember, only salvation will last forever, and that's it. But Donoga, I would encourage you to just try to break up your follow guns. I feel like you've used your platform to manipulate people for far too long now, and it's full time you stop this nonsense and wake up and realize the world is actually not leveled. It is full time you instill good values in your yes, I know you are a good human being. I know that, Donoga, I know. But you must stop this mentality that you have. You must just cut it out and be the good person you was in 2019. Be that person one more time. Just try. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, at least you know you tried. And that's it. That's my closing argument, guys. Please like my live stream. Please share my live stream too. To all of my jurors, I appreciate you. To all of my commenters, which is my jurors, I appreciate you. To all of my sharers, I appreciate you too. To all of my outside spectators, well-wishers, haters, thank you for your support. And to all of the people who like the video, thank you too. I appreciate you also. Right? Be blessed, everyone. If you're on your way out, please be safe. And if you're on your way in also, please be safe. You know, even my mother likes my court. My mother likes my court. I see, from my mother likes my court, I know for a fact, like, it's no going back for me. I love my court. I love my court. And if my mother likes